So we would like to launch a new product, that is fortified rice. The things like the major integrals, iron, folic acid, zinc, vitamin B1, B2, B12, B6 are the required items for everybody in everyday life. So certain things are being missed while having food. So how to fulfill these things? By the way of rice, we have given that thing. Because since 1946, this concept is being in the world, and in the year 2004, Indian government has made it compulsory to use fortified rice. But the efforts to come into picture is very less. So we took an initiative to come with it. And here in the same rice, we have added 9 added minerals and vitamins which are available in the market. So by consuming it every day, you will have all these changes in your food and the required nutrients. Just you can test this, if at all. If you start consuming this fortified rice from now, just make a blood test of it before consuming this, and after 6 months, if you go and make the same blood test, you will get the result. The increase in the content of iron in your body, the increase in the content of folic acid, zinc, everything. So in the hectic schedule of today's world, the nutrient contents in the food are getting missed. And in a schedule, we don't consume certain things in certain time. For example, if you are consuming milk and egg, you will get the required amount of folic acid. But it doesn't happen in everyday life. Maximum people may consume egg or not, may consume milk or not. But by consuming the rice in everyday diet, with this fortification process, we have come to a solution like it can fulfill the required things. And I think by 2024, all the rice in India will be fortified, because the government has already made it compulsory in their food and civil supply departments, where you get this PDS rice, and for all Anganwadis. All the rice comes there is a fortified product. And now in open market, I think we are one among, or the only one in South India in the non-basmati sector, we have come up with this fortification. And we would like to give some awareness to the public regarding this. It is the same rice what you are consuming every day. In that, hardly 1% of a mixed grain comes. That is also is made up of rice flour. It is not any other substance or any artificial substance or any other substance. That another yellow grain which is seen in your rice is made up of rice flour with all these 9 added vitamins and minerals. These are all natural based and pharma based. So these are not any chemical based or components. These are pharma based components which gives you that required nutrients. So if at all you find a new bag with a fortified pouch, if you see you have found yellow grain in that, then you are sure that you have got that fortified rice, and you will be having this F plus logo which is being authorized and authenticated by FSSAI of India. If at all if you go to FSSAI website and check it, you will come to know the advantages. They have made huge promotions, everything in the same concept. So before getting a bag, if you see that FSSAI, you will know it is fortified, and once you see the rice, in that you will get that yellow color grains. That yellow color grains, if at all it's a yellow color grain, you will come to know that you have been fortified rice with 9 added minerals and vitamins. That is all about fortified rice. And one thing about the company I would like to say, we are in Goa since 20 years, and our basic mantra is Ghar Ghar Mein PANCHAMRUTHA. I think we are present in maximum household. Now we want to give a healthy bag in every household, and this we are providing at the same cost. The cost is being taken by the company. So the same cost what you are procuring the previous time, all this Panchamrut, Lachkari, Jeera rice and Sona Masuri, and the same cost you will be getting this fortified rice. We are not giving with any additional cost.